new Titan DEX on Solana is rumored to have a huge upcoming airdrop. So for making swaps on the platform, you'll be eligible for this huge airdrop. This is a quick tutorial on how to use the Titan DEX aggregator and how to make yourself eligible for this potential airdrop. Let's take a look. Titan just launched a couple of weeks ago on the Solana blockchain, and at launch they don't have a native token yet. So this is the perfect opportunity to farm some points. Their most direct competitors currently are other platforms such as Jupiter, Stargate, Jumper. But with this upcoming airdrop, it's a smart decision to start farming points instead directly on the Titan platform. So the website is Titan.exchange, and you would launch the dApp. Make sure you connect your wallet. I am using the Phantom wallet. This is a simple, straightforward DEX. There's not much to it. All you want to do is establish swap history. So obviously the more swaps you make, the higher the volume, the more points you accrue, and the higher your airdrop. So making swaps every day is something I recommend, so you begin accruing points daily. So I have some Solana in my wallet. We're going to go ahead and swap this and confirm. And that was successful. Now switch the route back and let's go ahead and swap it back and confirm one more time. Again, successful. So as you notice, every time you're making a live swap, you do receive live quotes from the best DEX and which one would give you the best price and slippage. Sometimes it's Titan, sometimes Jupiter, sometimes there's Pyth. So why wouldn't you want to save some money while making swap? This is a smart choice. So over on the profile section, make sure you create a username. You can use my referral code here, investwithjo, to earn extra points. But on here, you also see your amount of trades placed, volume, and how many fee savings you've accrued. You also have some badges down here you want to try to unlock. So if you hover over, this is the first 10,000 users who executed 100 in native swaps through Backpack. I'm not a Backpack user, but anyone using Backpack can try this. Here's another successfully executed a trade on Titan. Here's another one successfully executed a trade during Titan's private beta. And so most of the information here on the profile section can also be viewable on this icon up here. You just hover over and this would summarize all the relevant information, including volume and trades. And over on the leaderboard section, it shows you your total ranking. I'm currently ranked at 40,000. It's pretty low. Your volume, your trading edge. We do have a ton of whales here executing on the platform, trading over 83 million, 65 million. It's a lot of capital. And that's it, a quick guide on how to use the new Titan exchange on Solana. Definitely keep an eye out on this platform. It could be a lucrative airdrop. So what do you think about Titan exchange? Let me know in the comment section. And as always, if you have any questions, please leave a question in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.